Time out to begin with. You're using part of the fundraise, I understand, in the IPO for capex. But given the fact that your current utilization levels are around 60%, why the need for this capex? And are you seeing more orders coming in?
We have very recently developed one new line. There is a bronze buses where we require a lot of new investment because that is a very good bright future. So we are going to invest in that things. Second thing, there will be always some unbalancing in the lines. So we have to add something for that. There will be some maintenance capex. Every time we have to add some maintenance capex. Plus, we are going for a lot of automation and we are increasing our automation level. So some investment will go in that line. So and some capacity will be increased. And second thing in our line, we cannot achieve more than 80% of the capacity. So we are expecting very good orders in coming time. So we are very sure our capacity will be utilized in the future.
And I believe your FY22 margins were contracted due to the high raw material costs. But given that metal prices have cooled off, can we expect your margins to expand? And what is the rate that you think is sustainable?
You see, in our case, there is a material pass-through. So when the material cost increases, our percentage of profit will come down, will not go up. And when material go down, our profit will increase. But if you see in absolute term, our profit will be constant. So I don't see any contraction in these things. Second thing, what you see right now is the impact of some solar sales, some scrap we are selling, that is also included in sales. That way the margin is showing less. But we are very much sure that our EBITDA level will be maintained very well and that will be improved because we are taking a lot of further actions. So in coming time, that will improve.
So given that you have a plant in Romania and China and nearly 40% of your revenues is from the European market, how is it that you're dealing with the supply chain and demand issues? In fact, are you even seeing demand issues right now?
Yeah, higher energy has impacted us, but we have negotiated with our customer and they have given the pass-through. So now there is no impact and this time it is working very well. We are running it profitable. And due to our presence in Romania and China, we are getting a lot of direct orders from the Europe and China because our customers is feeling very comfortable. So the items which require a low volume that we are producing there and we are supplying them, the items which are high volume and where predictability is very good, that items we are supplying from here. So that way we are expecting very good increase in business this time. Yeah, in Europe, there is some impact of slowdown, but we are very sure that Europe is passing through energy crisis and they have to develop new sources for energy. And one of the easiest source for them is a windmill. So we expect that there will be a very good increase in the windmill production and windmill will go. So we are supplying a lot of cages in the windmills. So we are expecting good business from the windmill side. So there will be some impact, but I think that will be taken care by increase in the solar wind energy increase.
Right. So glad that you could take time out and speak with us today. And many congratulations once again for a stellar debut, still sitting at